Nakikinig ka ba sa balita? Sa paano paraan ka nakakasagot ng balita? Sa telebisyon? Radyo? Dyaryo? O di kaya naman sa nauusong social media?
Sa tingin mo ba katiwa-tiwala ang naririnig, nababasa at napapanood mo? Halina't alamin ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan.
Journalism is the activity of gathering, assessing, creating, and presenting news and information. It is also the product of these services. Journalism can be distinguished from other activities and products by certain identifiable characteristics and practices.
News is information about current events. This may be provided through many different media. Journalism can be in many forms. Some of the most common types of journalism are photojournalism, sports journalism, broadcasting, and community journalism.
However, despite the journalist's expertise, knowledge, experience, and their professional manner, a huge amount of people still refuse to put their trust in them. Let's take a look on what really is the reason behind this mistrust on journalism and journalists and people.
Unfortunately, the government and the media is united in an absurd cycle of mutual fabrication of self-interest, myth-making, and the list of downside spectrum continues.
Since politicians are corrupt, the press will end up to corrupting themselves as soon as they started working with the aforementioned. Once they start doing that, they have the power to alter the perceptions and thinking of the people.
The press prints the news and not the underlying truth.
Not the underlying truth.
Despite that horrendous truth, the professionalism of our journalists remains unrivaled. Now, this is why you should trust our journalists.
Professional journalists have degrees in journalism, mass communication, and other fields, usually with a curriculum of writing, theory, news writing techniques, and practice. So basically, they are made and trained for this purpose.
Training, experience, and the process of checks and balances are the lens through which we can determine when journalism and journalists are trustworthy.
Journalists have always been fighting for truth and transparency. They are the reason why the truth is being served to the people. We shouldn't discredit their talent, their sacrifices, their integrity, their time, their safety, because our journalist wants to deliver the truth and truth only.
Isa sa mga adhikain ng isang mamamahayag ang maghatid ng balita at tamang impormasyon.
Kaya naman, makinig sa balita. Sa kahit anong paraan man, siguraduhin na tiyak ang nakakalap.
Magtiwala
At ilathala ang katotohanan.